Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today's video, I got a surprise Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. So let's get into it. So before I get started with today's video, you know the drill. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I make videos every Friday regarding Louis Vuitton or all luxury content. So if you're a Louis Vuitton fan or you just love luxury content altogether, you're definitely going to love it here. So hit that like and subscribe button to join my little luxury family. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. I also just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of my YouTube subscribers and to all of my viewers in general. I just hope that you guys have a really great holiday season. I know that this time of year can be really stressful and really hard on some people. I just hope everybody is staying safe and well, and just know that it's going to be okay. This year is almost over, and hopefully 2021 is going to be better. So again, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So I actually did not anticipate getting anything from this collection. If you recall my video like a month or so ago, I did a review on this entire collection, and I actually did not see this piece on the initial photos. So I actually did not know that this was coming out. But when my sales associate messaged me a couple weeks ago and she said that this item is in stock for this collection and she can order it for me, I instantly wanted to get it. For some reason, now I am obsessed with these pocket organizers, which I kind of just gave it away, but who cares? Ever since I got my Nego collection pocket organizer, I started to want to be able to increase that collection more. So I've been wanting to get a lot of the limited edition pocket organizers that they do offer for Louis Vuitton, just because I've been using my Damier Graphite one like there's no tomorrow, as I did mention in so many other videos. And so I figured that this would be a very useful piece for me. And I don't have a monogram print for this kind of item, so I thought might as well. And so yeah, just let's get into it. This is the receipt that it did come with. So for those of you who are wondering, the item code is going to be M80104. And this does retail for 505 Canadian dollars before tax. And after the taxes, it does retail for about 570 Canadian dollars. And I did purchase this at the Yorktail Boutique in Toronto, Canada, for those of you who are asking. And my sales associate actually gave me some perfume samples. And she kind of wrapped them up in her bow. It's so cute. So she gave me 2 scents. She gave me Sung Song, as well as Afternoon Swim. So I think she's kind of hinting, because my next week's video, you're going to see possibly something that I do unbox. And it was on my Christmas wish list. If you guys watch that video, I'll leave it up here. But yeah, these scents were in the same collection as the scent that I'm going to possibly unbox next week. So yeah, she gave me some more samples to try out, just in case I wanted to get the other bottles from that collection. But anyways, this is the box that it did come with. So unfortunately, I did ask my sales associate, because of the recall for the bags, she said that they're not actually going to be producing any of the holiday bags this year. They only have the holiday tag. So that's why I did get the orange one, which is kind of a shame, because I know a lot of people love the holiday packaging. So she said that they could only give the ribbon and the tag with this item, which is totally fine. It's okay. But yeah, I did ask her about that, and she did notify me that they're not actually going to replace those bags. They're just going to go without them for this year, which is kind of sad, but it is what it is. For those of you who don't know, the holiday bags this year, they had a blue lining on the inside, and they were actually bleeding through onto the boxes and stuff. So it was ruining a lot of people's packaging. So they decided to recall all of them and not use them. And they were going to fix it, but then it became too late in the game, for them to do so. So they just decided to go without it. But yeah, so this is the box that it did come with. Obviously, I did mention it is a pocket organizer, but which pocket organizer is the question. So let's just go ahead and open this up. And so the pocket organizer that I ended up getting for this collection is any guesses? It is the Monogram pocket organizer with the NBA collab. I know, Jonathan, you were trashing this collab. Why did you get it? But to be honest, I wanted something limited edition from this collection. I didn't like any of the ready-to-wears or any of the bags, and this one is very understated in my opinion. It just has the NBA logo on there, but I don't necessarily know I'm going to actually use this piece. Again, it might just be for collection purposes, but compared to my Nigo pocket organizer, this one I think is a little bit more usable, just because I could use this a little bit more carefree compared to the Nigo one, just because of the screen printing where the duck is. I am really scared that over time, if I do use that piece a lot, it is going to rub off. But because this is like a leather patch with the NBA logo, I feel as though it could be a little bit more carefree. So it does have the logo on the front and then nothing on the back, just a regular monogram. Sorry. And then it is glazed, with blue glazing. So it is a little bit unique in that sense. And then the inside is this pop of red color, which at first, when she had sent me the photos, I didn't know how to feel about it. I honestly thought that I didn't like it as much. And then when she sent me the picture for the white Arctic one, which is the one that I really did like, but it was sold out completely, I actually debated it just because the white, I feel as though could get a lot more dirtier and have color transfer if I were to stick these in and out of my pockets, which I do sometimes. But with the monogram, I knew that it was going to be a little bit more carefree just because it is the monogram canvas and you won't necessarily see a lot of color transfer. And for the Arctic one, it did have a blue inside, which is like screaming my favorite color, but it's because the whole outside was white. I really did not want to have that ruined, and it would be a lot less usable in my opinion. So then I would be back in the same boat with the Nigo one. So like all other pocket organizers, it does have the 3 card slots here, and then it does have the X style here where you can have 2 card slots, and then it does have 2 slip pockets here where you can put cash or your receipts or whatever. And then honestly, what I really do love about the pocket organizer is this V pocket at the back. I usually put my credit card here or my driver's license or like my predominant card that I'm going to be using on a constant basis, and it's just a really good easy access to it without having to always open and close the organizer, which is what I really love. And then on the inside, what I did like is it does have the hot stamp with Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, and it does have the NBA by Louis Vuitton by NBA hot stamping on there as well. So to be honest, this piece is like, I actually absolutely love it, and I'm just so excited to use it. I won't be using it as a daily driver, but I will be using it on special occasions. But yeah, this is my little quick unboxing of the LV by NBA pocket organizer. Thank you so much for watching. Question of the day is, did you pick up anything from this NBA collab? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.